If you want to get well fast using natural remedies, I want to help you make that happen. I'm Glenda Hill and I'm a natural health strategist. But in my nurse training, I was trained with that conventional health practices. People are getting plenty of help with medications, but the drawback is the side effects. I hate to be sick and in pain and want to get well fast, but without the drugs. I don't want the side effects. And if that's you, I want to help you to make that happen. I've been strategizing since I started a plant-based diet back in the late 80s. And in that time, I learned about anti-inflammatory foods and herbs, which helps the body to heal itself. When you help your body cleanse and repair and regenerate, it will do all the heavy lifting to fight off the infection, to get rid of the toxins, and to repair the cells. So what I teach is some of my best tips and secrets and tactics to give you the information you need so that you will be able to feed your body and nourish your body to restore health and get you functioning at your best. So if you're taking care of yourself or you're helping others, these strategies will empower you with skill and confidence. What you're going to learn in the series of Get Well Fast is how to use air, water, food, sunshine, exercise, rest, and moderation, and trust in God to get well fast naturally. So you'll also be learning about natural therapies, things like skin brushing and foot baths and just so many things that you could do that will help you to have that immediate relief for pain and anxiety. So together, we will get your health back in good shape. All right? Peace to you.